Hello, good morning. Thank you for calling the Grand Hotel. This is Shallow. How can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a room for 2 people from the 15th to the 18th of October.
Certainly. Let me just check availability for those dates. Okay, we have a few options. We have a standard double rooms available for 2K per night, and we also have some suites with a city view for 3K per night.
What's the difference in price?
The standard double room is 2K per night, and the suite with a city view is 3K per night.
What amenities are included in the standard room?
The standard double room includes a comfortable double bed and a private bathroom with a shower, complimentary Wi-Fi, and flat screen TV. The suite also includes those amenities plus a separate sitting area and a larger bathroom.
Okay, I think I'll go with the standard double room. Could you confirm the price again?
Yes, that's 2K per night. So far, 3 nights, the total would be 6K plus 100 resort fee, making the total of 6,100 before the taxes.
Okay, that sounds good. And what's your cancellation policy?
Our cancellation policy is 24 hours before the check-in date. If you cancel within 24 hours, there will be a one-night charge of 2,000 pesos.
Okay, I understand. So, could I book a standard double room for 2 people from the 15th to the 18th of October, please?
Certainly. May I have your name and contact number, please?
My name is Julian Saldoa and my number is 0123-456-789.
Thank you, Mrs. Julian. Let me just confirm standard double room, 2 guests, October 15th to 18th, under the name of Julian Saldoa, phone number 0123-456-789. Is that all correct?
Yes, that's perfect.
Your reservation is confirmed, Ms. Julian. You received a confirmation email shortly. Is there anything else I can assist you today?
No, I think that's everything. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Ms. Julian. Thank you for calling the Grand Hotel. Have a great day.